guys? Welcome back to another episode of Foothills Fishing. Today I am super jacked up. It is tournament day and we are out at Campfire West. Tom and I are here. We're ready to wreck shop. We're out here. There's about 40 something boats, 40 plus boats 42. Out here. See if we can get some of that. Yeah, 42 boats. So it's a pretty packed house for this size of a lake. Last weekend the pre-fishing was a little bit tough. Hopefully we can get out to our first spot that we were catching some at last video and hopefully get a limit there. It would be great to get an early limit and then just work on pulling the rest of the day, you know, try to get that big fish. All I gotta say is I'm super pumped up. We're gonna grind today. I'm just gonna wear the chesty. I'm not gonna deal with the other camera. Yeah, you're gonna see how we fish the tournament. Hopefully this can help some of you guys out. I know it's my first tournament, so I'll be a rookie, but I'm super pumped on it. All right, guys, well, wish me luck. Catch you out there. I'm wondering if I should start reaction or go jig right away, because that's what I caught here. That's what I'm doing. No going in the water early. Yep. Eat it. He just smacked it twice. Come on. Oh my God, he rocked it twice. First cast, that could have been unlucky. Okay. First fish. He's off. First cast. It was just first cast. First cast.
It's okay. It's okay.
He's right underneath us. He was right here. I don't think I set the hook hard enough. I think he was playing with the tail. First cast, that's a good sign though. Yeah? Okay. All right, Tom. First fish, atta boy. Second cast. Oh no, he's on the line. Oh, I got him. There we go. Atta boy. First fish, guys. I won't get in there. You know what? Since I'm getting such short strikes and you got that PB&J TRD. Let's see, since they're short striking it, just maybe something smaller and better hookup ratio. Oh, you switched over to your hog, huh?
I'm gonna motor this way, and we're just gonna make a big circle.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah. Hold on real quick. Yep. It's coming at me. It's small. It's gotta be tiny. Okay, he was just swimming right at me. Tiny. Please be 12.
Yeah, he's 12.
Spit up another brown robo. Yeah.
He's 12.
Yeah.
Good job, bro.
Thank you. He's tiny, dude. He's maybe a pound.
It's a fish.
It's a fish. Guess I'll stick with the Ned. Throw in the dark sleeper. So I could fish it a bit faster. A little bit of a swim bait action. A little more aggressive, like you're saying. Yep.
It feels okay.
Why is it sticking? Dude, I can't open that.
Up top where the button is. Now look at the button inside the net. There you go.
Oh, fuck, I'm trying not to step on your rods. Good job. Nice fish, dude. There you go. Drop shot, boys and girls. Little margarita action. So what we're finding out is our bigger baits, they're just biting it and throwing it or something. That's a good fish right there, dude. So we're sizing down to see if we get a better hookup ratio, because we're getting plenty of hits. Good job, that's guys. Got a little belly. So that's four in the boat for us. Let's get 5 and let's start calling fish. Come on. There we go. No. Yes, okay. Yeah. Dark sleeper. No. He was decent. I've lost pressure because I was trying to bring him back rather than bring him like this. No. No. He was swimming at me, dude. It was hard to keep pressure so much. Oh my God, dude, at the net. I cannot lose fish at the net. That's what I think I'm going to have to start doing, because he was coming at me. No, that would have been my big fish so far. That's right where I got that Ned rig fish. God, dude, did he get off like right before the net?
Dude, he went in the net and turned around and went out of it. You didn't see that? He came off, I had my net, and I jabbed underneath him. He went in, flipped around, and went out. I couldn't lift the net out of the water fast enough.
I thought he was in.
He was in
Yeah,
the net. He swam out.
That's what it looks like to me. And then I was like, oh, there's my bait. It came off, and I was like...
And I jabbed. He went down inside the net, turned around, and went out.
Dude, I set the hook good, too. It's just he was swimming right at me, so it was like, even when I set the hook, it still felt a little mushy. You want me on the backside of you? Probably don't ever want to hear that again, do you?
I don't know. As long as you catch my fish.
Is he right underneath the boat?
He's right here.
Don't force him.
No, I'm just trying to keep pressure
Yeah.
on him.
There he is. Yes, attaboy. There's for 5, baby. Robo.
Oh my God.
And he's got that, what?
Barely had him.
Oh, yeah. What color is that again?
Margarita.
Margarita.
I think that's number 1 or 2, I'm not sure.
There we go. It's 5. Yeah, he's got a good little belly on him, too. Right in that channel.
Good job, okay.
Alright, let's dredge some biggies up. Nice job. Just go huddles. I don't even think any of these fish are big enough for a huddle.
Dude, I've caught fish that size on huddle.
Oh, really? Yes, 5 in the boat. Weighing in. Let's call some of them little guys. Is that booty? Yep.
That's good.
Feels decent. Okay, he's coming close. Okay. Grab him. Grab him. Alright, ill Cole, I think. I think it was just he was swimming against me for once. Oh, I don't know. He's skinny.
See what happens.
It's because he actually swam against me for once. Dude, I don't think he'll Cole. I mean, he's barely 12. I mean, he's 12, but...
Bugs, looks like it.
Alright, little guy. Sorry.
Probably when you tried eating your jig.
Not gonna Cole. Yeah, I think so. Alright. Still made me feel good to at least have a fish on. Dude, he's the only one that actually swam against me, so he felt decent.
Damn it, I think I broke my fucking net.
Alright, a little update for you guys. We actually just came back to our first spot where we were catching all of our fish before, where we actually got our limit, which was awesome. We wanted to get to our first spot, get our limit, and worry about culling fish the rest of the day. Went over to our second spot, really only made a couple casts and really couldn't find anything. Ran to our third spot that we marked out. We got 3 fish out of there, only 1 cold though. Got him on the jig so far today. I got 1 on that dark sleeper that did not get in the boat, so I cannot count that one. Almost got in the net. That would have been one of our bigger fish of the day. We've had a ton of bites. We just can't get them to always commit. That's why I kind of switched over to the Ned rig and got a couple fish on that. Just downsize the bait to make sure that we get a hookup ratio. But yeah, we're gonna beat this first spot up again. We got maybe 2 other spots, maybe run way up the river on the inlet side. A little bit warmer water, a little shallower. A lot of guys are fishing shallow. We are the only guys I really see beating it up out off bank. Don't know if that's a good thing or not, but I know we've got a full box, so you know, really we're just trying to get that big bite, throwing a bit bigger baits now. All right, guys. Well, I'll probably catch you guys in that way and see you in a bit.
Hours later.
I think it's like right there. That spot just isn't producing. We're marking, but they're not producing. Yes. Nice job, man. Yep.
It might call.
I think so. Here, I'm gonna jump in front while you. Yeah, it's definitely big enough.
Go ahead, bud.
There we go. Good, dude. Needed that.
That's a cold, bro.
Yeah. All right, boys. First throw with the craw. Oop, didn't mean to cuss. Look at those red lips. He's eating craw all day.
Yep.
If you guys see that, red lips, craw. All right, what number was it?
No, put them on the scale. Just hold it around the sides.
1, 3, 6.
Okay, so your minimum, what number is your minimum?
119. So, oh, number 3.
Okay, so get in there and weigh number 3, and then check them against him.
Oh yeah. There's no. Yeah.
Good job, bro.
Sir. First cast.
Huh?
Right over there. Bass Union jig. Right where he went over. How's it going?
How's it been today?
It's been alright.
Yeah.
It's hard to get that big bite.
Dude, we've been King City all day.
Yeah, that's the same with us. So I'm kind of hoping everyone else is in the same boat then.
Look, we got 5, but they ain't 5 big ones.
Yeah, same here. Do you do YouTube?
Yeah.
Are you Infinite Bassin?
Yep.
Oh shit, what's up?
Watch the channel?
Yeah, I do. I thought you were in a different rig though. Let's do it. All right, guys, we're gonna head on in the weigh-in. Catch you all there. 5 fish. We got a limit, just a very small limit.
Put a limit nonetheless. I'll unclip them.
Okay. The guy that was in at our spot.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How'd he do?
He did good. I mean, he got 7.5.
Oh, okay. Well,
These
it's
are
more
they
than
caught
us.
50
Probably
fish.
a pound more than us.
Alright, so let's go weigh in.
Let's do it.
Let's see where we end. I think 10 is leading it.
Is it?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I mean that 3.5.
It's a good fish.
Yeah, for here. Yeah, I think the big one was 3.5. I don't know. I haven't heard any bigger yet.
There's a 4 or 4.5, I think, or something.
4.5.
I think something.
At least someone got a good bite. All right, we're 33.
I still have 4 of
You want to hold the bag, Tom?
What number are you?
33.
The big one?
No, we're not doing big one.
We have to. I have to wait.
Oh,
We have to do one.
say that's big one.
I think that might be.
Yeah, we'll just say that's big one.
Okay. 1.2.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Hold on.
That's the big one.
Okay. 1.5. 1.5. Okay.
Good.
I got some idea where I was out of Connecticut.
Five fish weighing 7.3.
Yeah, 7.3. Not terrible, but. Oh no.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.